ding, ding dong, all of my soul, to every home. I learned a soprano part for it in my chorus class. Carol. Ding dong, ding. Oh my gosh, when I was younger, like
That's
in
my
eighth
favorite
grade,
Christmas song.
in 8th grade, I could hit the bass's note at the end of the song. So like there'd be this random bass note coming from the soprano section, and it would annoy my teacher so much, and I loved it. I lived for that. It was great.
You wouldn't happen to know the Silver Sun pickups?
So what?
Silver Sun pickups.
No, I'm sorry. Ooh, do you know Blackbird?
Yeah.
Alright. Blackbird. I'm gonna pull up the lyrics again just in case. That's the one Beatles song I actually know all the words to.
That's the only Beatles song I know the whole song to.
Hey. Come on, where are my Beatles? This is their song, daggone it. Why isn't that the first thing that pops up?
It's by Paul McCartney.
Yeah, he's still not showing up. Okay, I'm just gonna...
Wing it?
Yes, because...
No pun intended.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. Then Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to... Okay, I think I can do this.
Yeah, that's the whole song.
Alright. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird. Oh, yeah.
Wait. Yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
No, I was wrong.
Should we start from the beginning?
Yeah.
Alright.
Join in when you...
Bum, 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 bum. Okay, yeah. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly. Blackbird.
Wait, hold on.
In the version I learned, they hold out the Blackbird. Blackbird.
Yeah,
fly.
yeah, that's the right version.
Okay.
Is it like a minor chord?
Something like that.
I thought it was like a one, like a half step.
Yeah, it is a half step. Wait, no. And this is in the Dark Black Night. This part.
Yes.
Alright, let's try that again.
From that part? Or from?
Yeah. Black. No, like. I don't know why it's saying
That
that.
is. That's what I thought it was. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right.
I learned it from the Glee version. So.
You're close. So there's one more step.
Yeah,
Yeah.
first time, and then the second time you do the long thing.
One
I don't
more
know if
chord.
it's
You're
mine.
gonna go 4 descending and then hold on the 5th chord. One more chord.
Are you sure that one that you're playing, like the second to last one, is that minor or is it supposed to be?
I don't even know what that is.